This conference will
So
now be
today we will
recorded.
discuss about the decision rules. Sir, what is the use of decision rules? What type of scenarios we can create a decision rules? So what type of scenarios we can create a decision rules? And what are the different types of decision rules are available? So what are the places we can call these decision rules? Okay, today we will discuss it. Okay, so now here you can see a decision. Similar like about data transform, similar like activities. Okay, what you are doing by using data transform, you are setting a value. What you are doing by using activities, you are setting a value. You are setting a value. Similar here also, we can set the values to what? To properties. What basis? Condition basis. Decision. Condition basis. Okay, condition basis, we can set the values. That's it. Okay, now see here. Okay, simple one example, normal example, then you can understand. Okay, see this one common example, traffic. Okay, traffic signal color. So traffic signal color. Okay, what are the possible values? Okay, what are the possible values of traffic? Okay, traffic light. So traffic light signal color. So now what are the possible values? Okay, you can see here possible values. Sir, what are the possible values? What is the output? Sir, what is the okay, traffic light signal? Sir, traffic light signal color. And what are the possible values? Hmm. What are the possible values? Yellow,
Red, green.
Red, yellow.
red, and green. Sir, these are the possible values. Okay. Now see here, in case if yellow, what is the output? What is the output?
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Sir, okay, if red, what is the output? Stop. Sir, green, allow. Sir, now see here. Sir, who defined ready to go, stop, allow like that? Government, right? Come on. Government defined these values based upon this letter. Okay, now see, okay, the based upon this value. Sorry, we are checking what is the color. Okay, what is the color? Based upon the color, we are taking a decision whether we are ready to go or stop or vehicle. Okay, we can either stop or ready or go. Okay, now here you can see what are the possible values. These are the possible values. What is the output? This one means in okay here. Okay, now condition basis you are setting some values. Yes or no? Condition basis you are checking and then you are returning a value. Yes or no? Okay, this one we can call as a property. Okay, this one we can call as a property. Property name. So now based upon the property, what are the possible values of that property? Okay, what are the possible values of property? Okay, this is the one possible value. If this property, if traffic light signal color equal to yellow, okay, what is the return value? Output means the return. Okay, return. What do you want to return? This is the value. Okay, this is the value you want to return. This is the value you want to return based upon okay, this property value. Condition basis, okay, condition basis means when we can go for okay, when we can go for a decision rules means okay, whenever we want to okay, return the values. based upon property conditions. Okay, then we can go for decision rules. Okay, whenever we want to return the values based upon property condition, then we can go for decision rules. Okay, okay, this is the common point. Decision rules can be called in a flow. Sir, okay, okay, by using decision shape in a flow, we can call the decision rules. Sir, we can call the decision rules. Okay, what are the different okay, normal? Just you can remember this one. Oh, okay, this is the property. What are the possible values? This possible values basis. Now we want to return or else we want to set some values. Okay, so whenever you want to return the values based upon property or whenever you want to set some values. Okay, whenever we want to return the value or else set the values, you can consider like that also return the values or set the values based upon property conditions. Then we can go for decision rules. Sir, what are the different types of decision rules are available? Types of decision rules. So what are the different types of decision rules are available? Okay, decision table. Okay, decision table. Okay, decision tree. Okay, decision tree. Map value and when condition. When. Okay, these are the different types of decision rules are available. Sir, when we can go for decision table, when we can go for decision tree, when we can go for map value, when we can go for when. Sir, mostly in our real-time projects, we will create a decision table only. Mostly we will create decision rules only. Sir, before going to discuss about, okay, first we'll discuss theoretically, after that practical examples, okay, what type of scenarios we can create these rules, we'll discuss. First one, theoretical one. Sir, when we can create a decision table. Okay, when we can create a decision table means, now see here. For example, if A equal to less than 10, okay, sir, now what you are doing normally, okay, we will write a logic like that. Okay, sir, now else if a greater than 10 and a less than 20. Sir, now, okay, you can observe here, if else if, now we can see. Otherwise, sir, this type of logic we will write in normal in C, C++ or Java. Okay, we will write a logic like that. Sir, we will write a logic. Sir, if this condition is satisfied, it will return the value. Otherwise, it will check this condition. If this condition is satisfied, then it will return the value. Otherwise, it will come here. If this condition is satisfied, then it will return the value. Otherwise, it will come here and then it will return the value. Yes or no? The execution. Okay, execution like that. For example, A equal to 15. What it will return? What value it will return?
Double Y.
Triple Y. How it will execute? First one, how it will execute? Hmm.
It will
Okay.
check if A is less than 10. then it
Hmm.
will return X. Else
Ah,
if it will check the next condition, A greater than 10 and A less than 20. That
ah,
condition will check it is 15 value is correct, so it will return Y.
whether it will check this condition.
No, no.
Okay. Okay, clear, right? This point. This is the execution behind it. Okay. If A equal to 3 means it will check only this condition and then it will return. Means it will not check these conditions. Right? Execution means in PEGA point of view, if you want to implement this type of logic. Okay, in PEGA point of view, if you want to implement this type of logic, then we can go for decision table. So now then we can go for decision table. Okay, when we can go for a decision table. So now, okay, when we can go for a decision table means, okay, whenever we want to implement, if, else if, else if, else if, logic, then we can go for decision table. Simple way you can say like that. Sorry, okay, whenever we want to implement if else logic, then we can go for decision table. Okay, explanation. Okay, explanation. So this continuation only. Immediately you can say this point also. Means if first property condition is true, okay, then now you want to return the value. Otherwise, you want to check another next condition and then you want to return the value. If that condition also false, then you want to check one more conditions. Okay, then we want to return the value. Okay, this type of scenarios we can go for decision rules. If first property condition is satisfied, then it will return the value. Otherwise it will check with next condition. If next condition is true, then it will return the value. Otherwise, it will check with next condition. Means it will continue. Okay, this type of scenarios we can go for. Okay, decision rules. We can say like that. Okay, first we can explain this one. After that, we can explain if first property condition is satisfied. Then okay, so then it will, okay, it will return the value. Otherwise you want to check another condition and then you want to return the value like that. Okay, if first property or properties also, okay, multiple properties also we can include, not only single property. First property or property condition, first property, multiple properties also we can include. Okay, first property condition. Sir, now first it will check whether first property, okay, okay, if first property, okay, first first property condition. Sir, it will check whether first property condition satisfied or not. Sir, now it will check whether first property condition is satisfied or not. If first property condition is satisfied, then it will return the value. If first property condition, if first property condition is satisfied, then it will return the value. Otherwise, it will check next okay property condition and then it will return the value. Okay, return the value or values also, multiple values also we can return it. Okay, multiple properties also we can check. So now it will continue whenever you want to check the multiple property conditions and then you want to return the values. written the values, then we can go for decision. See here itself, I update whenever we want to return the values based upon the property conditions. The execution, how it will execute is if else logic. First property condition is satisfied, then it will return the value, means it will not execute remaining steps. Okay, simple. Okay, the interview point of view, when we can go for a decision table means we can say that, sir, whenever we want to implement if else logic, like the first property condition is satisfied, you want to return the value. Okay, sorry, if that condition is not satisfied, then it will check with the next property condition. If that condition is satisfied, then it will return the value. Otherwise, it will check with next property condition and then it will return the value. Okay, that type of scenarios we can go for decision table like that. You can explain in the interview. Okay, okay, this type of scenarios I will explain, then you can understand easily. Sir, okay, this is the one point. Next point is sir, next one is the calling. That's it. Okay, about a decision table. Sir, okay, what are the places we can call? Sir, now by using okay decision shape in a flow, we can call the decision table. Okay, this is the one point. Next one. When we discussed about data transforms, at the time I discussed it, right? PX, evaluate. Come on. PEGA OOTB functions. We can call the okay, decision table in a data transform or activity or okay, decision table okay, within the decision table or okay, decision table within the decision table or decision table okay, decision okay, table within a decision tree. Sir, simple and wherever okay, wherever we can call the functions. You can consider like that. Main thing is people will ask you how we can call the main okay, data transform. How we can call okay, decision rules in a data transform means you can say either okay, this is the old function, okay, old function. Okay, now we can use this one. Okay, old versions we will use obtain value. Okay, so now this is the one point. Next one is these are the common places. And in activity point of view, okay, we have one more method is available, property hyphen map hyphen decision table. Okay, method in the activity we can call the decision table. So we need to pass the property name and we need to pass the dish okay property name, a decision table name and allowed okay missed property values. We'll discuss okay. Sir, okay, we need to pass these parameters. Okay. Sir, now what even people will ask what are the parameters okay, what are the parameters we need to pass to this method like that. Sir, what are the parameters we need to pass to this method like that also people will ask you. Okay, just you can say that okay, sir, we need to pass the decision table name and a dish property name. Sir, what is the use of this checkbox like that people will ask you in the interview point of view. We will discuss that one. Okay. Sir, now flow activities, data transforms, these are the common places we can call decision table. That's it. Okay. Mostly in a real-time scenarios, mostly you people will create a decision table only. Mostly we will create in the decision tables only. Okay, that's it. Okay, is it possible to call already here, okay, in the single sentence itself we updated, right? So is it possible decision table? We can call decision table within the decision table, a decision table within a decision, not decision tree. This one is a tree. Okay, decision tree. Sir, now these questions also people will ask you. Now we can answer. Sir, now see example. Okay, this one. Okay, now what about decision tree? Okay, decision tree. Sir, now how it will execute based upon this one? How it will execute? Ah, come on, tell me. If a equal to, okay, 16, what is output? Hmm. What is output?
5.
5. How it will execute?
Same only. If it will check if a less than 10, then it
Hmm.
will return x, or else it will check the next condition. If a greater than 10 and a less than 20,
Here
yes, it
condition, here condition satisfied. Okay. After that, it will whether it will check this condition.
no.
Okay. Sir, now we
If
can
all,
observe. Now we can observe here, Janani. Sir, now whether it will check next condition is it will check the next condition also. See, all are if condition only, right? Come on. Okay, this is the observation. And all are if condition only, right? Hello.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
All are if only, right? So now even first condition is true or false. Okay, it will check the all the conditions available in a decision tree and then it will return the value. Okay, clear? Hello? Means
Yes.
simple, even normal C, C++, Java, .NET also, we will write a logic like if conditions, right? If conditions we will write. Or we will write if conditions. Similar like that. If first condition is true, then it will return the value. Otherwise, okay, it will check next condition like that in the decision table. Here it will check all the condition or, okay, or. So now, okay, you can observe here a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 30.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Okay, c equal to 30. Sir, how many conditions need to satisfy to return the XX? Ah. Sir, how many conditions need to satisfy to return the X value?
3.
Okay, three conditions need to satisfy. Okay, three conditions. So mean this one we can call as a nested if, right?
Yes, nested.
Okay, whenever you want to implement this type of logic. Sir, now your requirement is I don't want. Sir, if first condition is the true, okay, immediately I want to exit from, okay, that rule and then I want to return the value. No, I don't want to do like that. I want to check the all the conditions and then I want to return the value. Clear? Scenario one. When we can go for decision tree. So now I want to check the all the conditions and then I want to return the value. So now I want to check the all the conditions and then I want to return the value or else. Sir, now nested if logic, like if first property condition is satisfied, I want to check with another next condition or that kind of that property condition also satisfied. Next, I want to check with one more property condition and then I want to return the value. Okay, sir, at that type of scenarios also we can go for decision tree. Okay, decision tree. Sir, now here, sir, when we can go for decision tree means whenever we want to implement. Okay, whenever we want to implement. If logic, if, if logic or nested if, nested if logics. Okay, then we can go for okay, decision tree. So then we can go for decision tree. Okay, whenever you want to implement if logic or else nested if logics, then we can go for decision, okay, decision tree. Means now, sir, now we want to read, we want, whenever we want to return the value, okay, whenever you want to return the value, if all property conditions, okay, after completion of the all conditions, means if logic means it will evaluate the all the property conditions and then it will return the value. Agree, bro? Hello? So now
Yes.
whenever, so now see, whenever, student, whenever we want to evaluate, okay, evaluate all the property conditions, okay, whenever we want to evaluate the all the property conditions and then we okay, and then okay, we want to okay, return the value and then we want to return the value, or if first property condition is satisfied, you want to check with one more property condition and then again you want to check with one more property inside that property condition, you want to check with one more property condition. Means next dependent, if first property condition is satisfied, you want to check with one more property condition within that property. Means this one next if. So now if first property condition is okay satisfied. So now if first property condition is satisfied, again we want to check another property condition, another property condition within within first property condition. Okay, again we want to check another property condition. Okay, another property condition within the first property condition. Again, okay, you want to again we want to check with another property condition within the second property condition. Second property condition. Second property condition. Okay, then we can go for okay, decision table, decision tree. So then we can go for whenever you want to implement this type of logic in PEGA, then we can go for decision tree. Okay. So now, okay, what are the possible way places we can call? Okay, these are the possible ways. Simple about the complex. See, okay, like that. If you are meant to, if you want to check this is one type of complex logic only. You can consider like that. Simple logics. We can go for okay, decision table. Complex logics. We can go for okay, decision tree like that. You can say okay. Instead of saying that point, simple logics we can go for decision tables. Complex logics we can go for decision tree. Instead of saying like that, if we explain this point, then they can understand easily. Okay. So now by using a decision shape in a, okay, in a flow, we can call decision tree. By using, okay, decision tree, okay, decision tree, PEGA OTB, okay, PEGA OTB function, we can call decision table, data transforms, okay. Uh, so now we cannot call decision tree, decision tree within the decision tree. So we cannot call, okay, if you use that function, we can call also decision tree within decision table. Okay. So here decision tree method in activity, we can call the decision tree. So we need to pass the decision table name. Okay. So now this is about decision tree. Okay, here map value. Sir, when we can go for map value? When we can go for map value? Even okay, mm, whenever we want to return the multiple values. Even this one also, it will whenever we want to return the values based upon multiple property combinations, multiple property combinations, okay, or multiple property combinations, property value combinations, or okay, this one, okay, multiple property value combinations. Okay, then we can go for map value. Sir, how we will implement the logic is, okay, here we will implement the logic this way, uh, tree point of view, and okay, table point of view, we will implement a logic like that. Okay, logic like that. Here, when, okay, how we will implement the logic in a map value is, see how we will implement the logic in a map value is matrix form. Matrix form. In the mathematics, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, like that. Okay, we will form, right? Mathematics similar like that. Sir, okay, we will implement the, okay, we will implement the logic in a map value, in a map value. We will implement a logic in the form of matrix form. In the form of matrix. Sir, okay, how we will implement is x-axis, y-axis like that. X-axis, y-axis like that. Again, here also, okay, this is the one point. Okay, next one is by using property hyphen map hyphen common pair, or value pair. Sir, we don't have, okay, any option to call map value in a data transform. We don't have any function. Okay, map value. Sir, now by using property hyphen map hyphen pair, or look 1 minute, I will open any activity. Value pair. Okay, property hyphen map hyphen value and value pair. So this method, okay, property hyphen map hyphen value or else property hyphen map hyphen value pair methods in activity we can call the map value. Okay, okay, sorry, here we can call the map value in a decision tree. Okay, decision tree, this one also map value. Okay, that's it. Sorry, about when rule. What when rule will return? When rule either when rule will return either true or false. If property conditions are satisfied, then it will return true value. Otherwise, it will return false value. These are many places we can call the when rule in a sections, flow actions, flows, okay, data transforms, activities, okay, decision, okay, okay, decision, declare on change. Hmm. See, like that. So, okay, wherever okay possible, we can call this when rule. Okay, so many places we can call. Okay, this is about decision rules theoretically, and okay, these are the okay decision rules are available in PEGA. So now what we will do is what type of scenarios we can create a decision rules. Now mostly I told see real-time point of view, but I will show you how we can create a map value and then how we can write a logic, or how we can create a decision tree, how we can write a logic. Okay, I will show you, but mostly we will create a okay, decision table only. Okay, na a decision table only. Decision table only. We will write a logic. Okay, we will write a logic in the decision table only. So, the scenarios point of view, what type of scenarios? Okay, what type of scenarios we can create a okay, decision rules? Simple. Okay, in our mind, you can think like that. You want to set some value. Okay, commonly we will think about commonly we will think about okay, activities and data transforms. Condition basis. Condition basis. We will write. Sir, instead okay, that type of logic, instead of writing in activities and data transforms, means easily we can maintain, easily we can change whenever it is required. Whenever it is required, easily we can change, we can update also. Instead of writing that type of logics in activities and okay, real time point of view. Okay, instead of writing that type of logics in a data transforms and activities, write that type of logic in a data okay, in a decision rules. Easily we can update, easily we can manage okay, those changes. Now whenever you want to update something or whenever you want to add something, easily we can modify. Okay, so now condition basis. This condition is satisfied, I want to set. This condition is satisfied, I want to set. Okay, anything, and even true or false also. Even I'm setting, okay, we can set the value like that, right? True or false also. True or false also, try to set. Sir, why? Because useful, what is the advantages of decision rules means we can delegate to the business users. One of the concept we will discuss, Okay, how to delegate the rules? Okay, we can delegate. We can delegate to the business users. Okay, without our involvement, they can update. Without our involvement, okay, they can update. Calm. Like now, I will write here. Then you can understand what type of scenarios we can go for this. Okay, decision rules. Okay, see here. Just like a, not example purpose, high level, I'm going to update. Sir, now either you want to, okay, sir, now you want to return some, okay, names, template names. You want to return some template names, email template names. You want to return operator ID. You want to return some operator ID. You want to return work basket name. You want to return some work basket name. Okay, you want to return some values. You want to return some values, condition basis. Condition basis, you want to return some values. Okay, sir, now here example one, bank name. Okay, so now bank name. Okay, first one, simple, okay, example, then you can understand. Okay, sir, now I want to return the value. Oh, sir, now I want to, what is my, get the, one example, then you can understand ticket price. Get the, get the ticket. It's an easy example I will explain. Get the ticket price. So now get the ticket price. So now here, on what basis now we want to get the ticket price? So get the ticket price. So now here, bus type. Bus type. So now bus type. And okay, what is the values you want to, what are the possible values of bus? Sir, what is the possible values of, okay, or else, okay, vendor name? You can consider like that. Bus type, okay, before that, okay, vendor name. Vendor name. Sir, vendor name and bus type. And then, okay, you want to return. Okay, now you want to return. What do you want to return? Some price value you want to return. Some price value you want to return. So now here, vendor name, okay, SVR. Okay, bus type AC. You want to return, okay, 2000. Sir, same SVR, non-AC, non-AC. You want to return 1500. So now you want to return Kaveri or Kamakshi. Kaveri or Kamakshi. So now AC. So now you want to return 25. So now, okay, you want to return 25. Okay, so now here, case naming. So now non-AC. Okay, 1800. Okay, lemon travels. AC. Okay, 3000. So now what you are doing, condition basis, you are returning the values. Now you want to implement this type of logic. So now people will ask you, in future, people will ask you, hey, is it possible to add one more vendor name? Easily you can modify this type of logic. Is it possible to add one more? So now, okay, one more, okay, vendor name. Could you please increase the price? Like that they will ask you. Okay, now, okay, sir, there is, okay, this is the one thing. Sir, now previous class we discussed about DSS. Okay, previous class we discussed about DSS. So now you can observe here. Okay, now we can observe. Okay, now I want to future toggles. Okay, you want to disable the functionality. You want to disable the functionalities. For the, okay, one way is DSS. Another way is decision rule, decision table also. Okay, to enable. So now to enable future toggles. To enable or disable. Okay, so now okay, to enable or disable future toggles. Like means here, what okay, in this scenario, what you are doing? In this scenario, so now I want to get the um, s- customer information. There is a new functionality we implemented. Get case information like that. So now I want to disable. So without touching, simply just you will update. You will update the decision table. You will update the decision table. So now here, okay, how we will write a logic now? For example, um, sir, to enable future toggles means, for example, okay, so now get okay case okay get customer details. So now get customer details. Okay, just I'm giving. So now at that time it will go to the external system and then it will get the details. So now I want to enable okay this functionality. Okay, now this functionality. Now I want to enable this functionality only to CSR users. Hello, clear? Only to CSR users. అర్థమవుతుందంటే type of user. Okay, return. What you are doing now here? Return value. So now type of user. So if type of user is a CSR user, CSR user access group, you can consider like that. So now CSR user one access group. So now now you want to enable. So even managers also, I want to enable that functionality. For managers also, I want to enable this functionality. In future, if they want to enable one more access group, other access group, CBIL approval also. So now CBIL approval also. At that time, what you will do? Come on, what you will do here? Simple. CBIL team. That access group we will add, and then written value we will update. Yes or no? Sir, in future, sir, now I want to disable this one. I want to disable this one. Again, I will update. Sir, for managers, I don't want. Simply what you are doing, you are updating. We will delegate this rule to, okay, we will delegate and then in the production we can update without changing anything. Simply we will keep on, we will update. Means to enable the future toggle and disable. Okay, disable. Okay, at that time also we can use. Okay, at that time also we can use. Okay, now next one. Sir, now bank name. Bank name. Sir, now bank name and okay, company name. Company name. Salary range. Salary range. Sir, bank name, company name, and salary range. Based upon this one, I want to return loan amount. Sir, now I want to return loan amount. What do you want to return? Loan amount. Okay, loan amount you want to return. Sir, now here. What are the different combination? ICICI, company TCS. Salary greater than 20,000, okay, less than 40,000. Loan amount 8 lakhs. Sir, now okay, HDFC, Wipro. Sir, now Wipro, okay, 25,000, 45,000, 9 lakhs. Sir, now Access, R, okay, Canada Bank, SBI, Infosys. So now see, now you want to return this one. Sir, now you want to return the values like that. Sir, not only single value, you want to return even the rate of interest also. A whole scenario is one. Sir, now you want to return processing fees also. Sir, now you want to return this one also. Sir, now this type of combinations. So now in this scenario, okay, your requirement is you want to return only one value. Here you want to return multiple values. Multiple values. Okay, sir, next one. Okay, next one. Customer type. Sir, now customer type. Okay, get the template name. Get the template name. Okay, sir, now customer type. Sir, now, okay, sir, now return. Okay, return. Sir, now customer type. If customer type is gold. Sir, now customer type is gold. D template. Silver. S template. Okay, gold. G template. Sir, now in this requirement, what is the type? Okay, sir, now it is returning the template name, means correspondence rule name. It is returning. Sir, now here condition basis you want to get the different. You want to get the different template names. Email templates and okay, not only this one. Okay, now we can see even data transforms, so rules, so any rule name also we can specify. Okay, we can specify the rule type also. Same requirement. Get the okay validate rule name. So now validate diamond customer. Okay, for example, if I'm going to here validate not only this one, we can okay, you can any rule name silver. In this scenario, my decision table is going to return this one. Or else, okay, next example. Next example. So now type of the customer basis. Customer basis. Okay, type of. So now again here also get the okay approval Okay, approval name. Get the approval name. So now, what is my requirement is here. Get the approval name. Okay, simple example. Okay, I'm taking this one and then okay, this type of okay customer. So now I want to okay. Sorry, here if a customer type is okay diamond, I want to okay level 1 approval. See now level 2 approval, level 3 approval, level 2 approval. So now here get the approval name. Approval name is operator. You can consider like that. Operator. Operator name. Operator name. See means okay now here okay just we can think that customer details. So now customer details. After that approval details. There are two assignments are available. Here you are collecting a details. Here you are collecting a details. Next screen I want to route. Okay, now next screen I want to route. Not always to level 1 approval. If a customer type is a diamond customer, I want to route to level 1 approval. If a customer type is a silver, I want to route to level 3 approval. If customer type is gold, I want to route to level 3 approval. Okay, this is my requirement. This is my requirement. So now, okay, now you want to route to this approval details screen to okay some operator name based upon this condition. Okay, same thing. So get the approval work basket name. Approval work basket name means work queue. So now here diamond work basket. Here okay, silver work basket. Here gold work basket. Sir, okay, if a customer type is okay, diamond, I want to return. Okay, I want to route this one to diamond customer work basket. Okay, this means the routing point of view also we can use the decision rules to set the values. To set the values, also we can use the decision rules, condition basis, condition basis. Okay, so now next one is so next one. So now see here vehicle type. Okay, vehicle type. Okay, vehicle model. Sir, vehicle type is sir now here. Sir, now vehicle type is new vehicle model, two wheeler, vendor name, okay, TVS, okay, written. Sir, how many conditions need to satisfy to return the vehicle price? Hmm? Three conditions. Sir, now I can form this logic like that also, right, bro? Hello? Come on. I can form the logic like that also, right? Hmm. Sir, now see. So now see, now I want to form like that, like that. So next condition, okay, next condition within the same condition, or else I can form the new condition also. You can consider like that. So I can form the new condition also. Okay. So now you can, this one it will extend only. Okay, you can consider like that. Sir, I will see commonly condition basis whenever you want to set some values in our mind, you can think and when we can go for decision rules means whenever you want to set some values, condition basis. Okay, immediately create a decision rule and then you can add the conditions. Okay, so now I will create decision rules, decision table, decision tree, map value. I will create and then I will show you quickly. So now examples I explained, right? Now we can launch the portal. Okay, now here you can see first what we will do is create a case. Okay. Okay, sir. Now see what I will do is quickly. I'm going to create a correspondence row. Okay, email, correspondence type, email template. For email body, okay, purpose we will create a correspondence row. I dynamically can include the properties also here. First name, we will process your request within 2 business working days. Regards, loan team. Okay. Fine. Now, what I will do is, okay, this is the navigation. All decision rules will be available under decision category. Under decision category, here you can see decision table, decision tree, map value, when. Okay, now? Now you can create a decision. Okay, just you can create a decision, okay, table. Okay, get the template name. Get the template name. Sir, when you are creating a decision table, it looks like that. Okay, when you create a decision table, it looks like that. Sir, now if otherwise. Okay, sir, now you want to add a multiple conditions. You can add a multiple conditions here. In case if you want to add, here you can see the options. Here you can see the options. For example, now you want to add, okay, some more conditions. Now we can add a multiple inco condition, some more conditions also like that. How many conditions you want to add? So now this one is before or after like that. Here, in case you want to add below. So now you want to add evo. So you want to delete. You want to delete. You want to add one more column. You want to add one more column. So now you want to add one more column. You want to delete that column. So now here we can specify the value. So now you want to set two values. Here you want to set two values. Okay, you want to set two values. So now return. You want to return one more value. You want to return one more value. So now like that, now we can add or delete. So now here you can delete. Okay, this is the way we can form the logic. So now here, if else, if else, if else, if condition. Okay, what is your property? Okay, what is your property? Okay, on what property condition basis? Okay, now we want to form the logic. Double click on these conditions. Here we will map the properties. Decision table property. Here you can map the property customer type. Customer type. Customer type. Sir, now label name. Sir, now label name automatically it will take. Sir, now see customer type. Customer type. Sir, now label name automatically it will update it. Sir, now here, sir, now whether integer, for example, if your salary is greater than less than, right? In case if you want less than greater than, you can use this one. Okay, so now you can use this one. In case if you want to range, okay, a range at that time you can use, you can check the checkbox. We will check that one also. Now click this one. If a customer type, what do you want to return? See, if customer type equal to, what is the possible value? Here you can type. Here you can type and here you can type. Now here you can type. So now, okay, what are the possible values? For example, okay, diamond. Okay, so now diamond. Okay, now I'm going to update a diamond. So now diamond. Okay, now what do you want to return? Now I want to return whatever template I created. But now whatever template I created, now I'm going to return that. Okay, I'm going to return that value. Sir, gold and silver. Silver. Okay, just like see here, now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, now silver. Now go here and you can specify this one. Okay, rule name I'm going to specify. Sir, now it's not mandatory to give otherwise. It's not mandatory to give otherwise. Sir, now other than these values, okay, now you want to return. For example, platinum also available. Okay, platinum also available. Sir, now you want to give some okay default template name. You can give the default template name. Otherwise, you can give the blank also. Even bro, platinum also I want to return diamond template only. So now okay, different value, one more value. So now even platinum also I want to return. So like that platinum. platinum. So now click on save. Okay, it's not mandatory to give the otherwise. So if these conditions are not satisfied, you want to set some default value, you can set some default value. Okay, now we can see. So now we can. So now you need to check the check boxes. So okay, whenever you want to trace or whenever you want to debug in a tracer, under settings here, okay, if you want to debug, okay, at that time here you can see the decision table, decision tree, uh, map. Okay, so now you need to check the check boxes whenever you want to trace. So whenever you want to trace, you need to check the checkbox. So now for testing purpose, okay, we can run the. So now we can run, okay, this decision rules. So now directly you can run and then you can give the inputs. For example, silver I am giving. Just you want to check whether your logic is working or not, like that. Okay, now it is returning this one. Like that we can test. See, even I told that, okay, sir, now what is advantages of this decision, okay, rules is, sir, what is advantages of this decision rules is, how many values, for example, okay, now, 50, see, some of the projects and some of the retail or else some different template names, okay, different business rules they want to execute. Okay, more than 500 rows also will be available. Category, subcategory like that. More than 500 rows also. Okay, that type of logic we cannot write it in a decision table or decision tree. Sir, now we cannot write the 500 rows logics in a activities or data transfer condition basis. It's better to write that type of logics in a decision table. Okay, decision tables so easily we can maintain. So now here, what is the advantages of this one is now see. Sir, easily we can modify, easily we can manage like that. I told right. Sometimes people will ask you, how we can this one. For example, 500 rows I want to add. How we can add? Okay, sorry, if it is more than 500, okay, when you are opening a decision table, it will not show. Okay, just you can click on, click on show completeness, show complete. So now you can check that if you click on this one, enter 500 rows, whatever rows are available, it will show. In our projects, some of the decision tables, okay, they will add more than 500 rows. When you are opening the decision table by default, okay, you cannot say. You can click on, okay, this button, okay, you can see all the rows. So now, in case if you want to modify, so many rows are available. Okay, now you want to update something. At that time, here we have option is available. Now we can export. So now we can export. So now I exported. So now I exported. Now I can update this one. So now I can update. So now I can update also. For example, simply I'm giving here default template. Default template. So now I'm okay. I can update, okay, even a row also in case if you want to update one more row. Okay. So now here. So now I can update one more row also. So like that I can update one more row also. Sir, now I want to import. 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 Sir, now I can import. Okay, see what is the advantages of this decision rules means this one. multiple conditions. So now we can delegate also. We can delegate to business users. Because we can, one of the concept, okay, we'll discuss. Okay, we can delegate these roles to business users, and they can update. Okay, they can update whenever it is required from their end itself. In case if they want to update, they can update. Okay, just 1 minute. Sir, even they can update also. Sir, you can write a logic like that. After that, sir, how we can call? Okay, this one. For example, when I'm going to submit, see, I'm going to create activity. Send a submission, loan submission email. Sir, I told, okay, how we can call. Sir, now here property hyphen map hyphen decision table. Sir, now property hyphen map hyphen decision table. Now I'm using this one, and then what is the, see here. Okay, now see whatever decision table is going to return the value. Okay, in this scenario, I'm going to, okay, template name. I'm going to set to some parameter name. Template name. What is our decision table name? Okay, this is the important. Allow missing property checkbox is important. We will discuss about this one. Okay, sir. Okay, I will discuss end of the class. Okay, some of the possible interview questions and answers. Okay, fine. My decision table will return the value. Okay, template name. I'm setting that value to some parameter. Okay, param dot quickly. So now here, whatever email ID I'm going to enter from UI, I'm going to copy. So now param dot subject, param dot subject. Come on, param dot subject loan request PYID. Fine. Okay, now I'm going to call send simple email. Okay, call simple email. So now here, okay, fine. So now I'm going to update like that. All good, right? Fine. Okay, click on save. So now when I'm going to submit, okay, we want to send an email. Okay, safer side, what I will do is, sometimes we will forget, right? Okay, we will get the, mm, fine. Silver I selected, right?
Bold.
No, okay. Okay, we will check here also. Sir, okay, gold I selected. Now I got 5 business working days. Hello, clear? Okay, sir. Now I'm going to enter. Okay, platinum. See now platinum. Purchan.pega@gmail.com. Click on submit. Platinum. Okay, na everyone. Sir, how you are
Arjun,
getting? Yes.
yeah. Arjun, in correspondence, can you remove that param dot template name once? Can you try whether email is sending or not?
It will send an email with blank message. It will send an email with blank message. It will send an email with blank message. That's it. No subject. Sorry, no
My
email
question
body.
is like అంటే రియల్ టైమ్ లో అది ఎట్లాగా తీసుకుంటుందండి మనం పారం డాటా టెంప్లెట్ నేమ్ అని ఇచ్చాం కదా అర్జున్ సో అది అంటే బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో మనం కరెస్పాండెన్స్ రాసాం కదా అది ఎట్లా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటుందని నా డౌట్
ఎలా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటుంది అంటే param
కరెస్పాండెన్స్
what it contains. Param template name contains what? Come on. Param template name contains what? చెప్పండి.
మీరు ప్రాపర్టీ నేమ్ కి మ్యాప్ చేశారు కదా ఆ ప్రాపర్టీ నేమ్ లో మనకి
Property param template name contains what? After completion of this method execution. చెప్పండి. Okay, after completion of this method execution, okay, it will give this name. Yes or no? Hello?
ఓకే ఓకే
It will give this name. What is this one? Rule name.
డైమండ్
No, rule name.
ఓకే
Rule name. So now what you are okay, here what we are doing, that rule name you are passing. Normally here we can what is this one? ఇక్కడ చూడండి మీరు ఏంటిది ఇది
రూల్ డైమండ్
rule name. What we are doing, this name from where we are getting this parameter.
ఫ్రమ్ డెసిషన్
Okay, clear or what? ఇంకేమన్నా చెప్పాలా?
ఓకే క్లియర్ క్వశ్చన్ యాక్చువల్లీ
ఒకవేళ
అంటే
సేమ్ నేమ్ తో ఉంటే బ్రో
సేమ్ నేమ్ అంటే
అంటే సేమ్ రూల్ నేమ్
అంటే నాకు అర్థం కాదు. సేమ్ రూల్ నేమ్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటున్నా.
ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ డైమండ్ టెంప్లెట్ గోల్డ్ టెంప్లెట్ అని అక్కడ కరస్పాండెన్స్ లో రాశారు. ఇట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మనం వచ్చేసి 2 డిఫరెంట్ ఏమన్నా యూజ్ కరస్పాండెన్స్ కాకుండా వేరేది ఏమన్నా యూజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటే నేమ్ ఉంటే సేమ్ నేమ్ ఉంటే
అంటే అంటే ఏది అని నేను అడుగుతున్నా, ఏంటి అని. సేమ్ నేమ్ అంటే ఏంటిది?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మన యాక్టివిటీకి ఒకే నేమ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్స్ ఒకే నేమ్ అంటే సేమ్ రూల్ అవుతుంది బ్రో. అట్లా అంటే ఈ కేసులో ఒకటి వేరే కేసులో అడుగుతున్నాను.
యాక్టివిటీ
ఇప్పుడు మన యాక్టివిటీకి ఒకే నేమ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్స్ కి ఒకే నేమ్ ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా బ్రో.
అయ్యో ఏమైతే ఏం కాదు కదా. డిఫరెంట్ రూల్ టైప్, డిఫరెంట్ రూల్ నేమ్స్, రైట్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇష్యూ? యూ కెన్ గివ్ ద నేమ్ డిఫరెంట్ నేమ్స్. సేమ్ నేమ్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ గివ్ ద సేమ్ నేమ్ ఆల్సో. అంతకుముందు ఇచ్చాం కదా సేమ్ నేమ్. ఫ్లో యాక్షన్ నేమ్, ఫ్లో నేమ్ ఏమన్నా అయిందా? Because different rule types, right?
yes.
చెప్పండి అఖిల, మీరు ఏదో అడుగుతున్నారు, ఏందో చెప్తున్నారు.
అర్జున్, ఇంకోటి ఒకటి ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు మనము డెసిషన్ టేబుల్ ని కాల్ చేస్తాం కదా అర్జున్, ఆ ప్రాపర్టీ నేమ్ ఫీల్డ్ లో మనం ఏమి ఇవ్వకపోతే రిటర్న్ వాల్యూ ఏం రిటర్న్ చేయదా అని నా డౌట్.
ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇవ్వకపోతే అంటారా?
యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ డెసిషన్ టేబుల్ నేమ్ అనేది మ్యాండేటరీ కదా అర్జున్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం రన్ చేస్తే రిటర్న్ వాల్యూ ఏం రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది అని.
Okay, now see here. Now I didn't pass anything here. Okay, na? I didn't pass anything. Okay, I checked the checkbox. Okay, now you can enter. And customer type gold. Click on submit. Okay, click on submit. Now come down. So now come down. So now, okay, whenever you want to trace, okay, whenever you want to trace, now here you can observe. Sir, whenever you want to trace, okay, decision tables, okay, you need to check the checkbox. After that, you can see here, okay, you can see here event type. You can see, okay, decision table, decision tree, map value, like that. And then you can see one more here, one more event actions, right? This one here, begin and end. While ending, you can see the return value. While ending, it will okay, you can see the return value. Okay, while ending, now it will show the return value. Okay, what it is returning? Come on.
Gold template.
Okay, what it is returning? Gold template. This is the return value. Okay, this is the return value, it will return it. Now here you can see, sir, now okay, now template gold name, template name, now we got. So now this value, where you want to say, what property or else what parameter you want to set, you can set that value. So now whether I got the email with the template name this time. Sir, now see whether I got any email body. No,
No.
right? No. Sorry, your decision table is returning that value where you want to set to, which property or which parameter you want to set. We need to set that value. You want to use that value, right? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, this is the one way. Sir, now see what I will do is a single example itself, always I will explain. Okay, now I'm going to remove one. Sir, now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, I'm going to remove this one. So same example here. So now we want to send a email. Okay, now we want to send a email, right? Now see. we will try this one, whether it will work or not. Okay, 1 minute. I will submit this one. Okay, take a decision shape. ఇది ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తే సరిపోద్ది అనుకుంటున్నా. Okay, I will give some different example in flow point of view, or we can call. I will give some different example. Okay, this is meaningless only. Okay, this example with flow is meaningless. Okay, no need that much of complex. Okay, same thing. Now how we can call? Now we created the activity, right? So now we created the activity and then we sent an email through data transform also. How we can do this one? Okay, send email, loan submission, email. Okay, sir, now you can, sir, how we can call? Param dot, again, template name, param dot template name, param dot template name. Okay, fine. Click this one, click this one. Sir, now px evaluate. Okay, sir, px evaluate decision table. Okay, px evaluate decision table, px evaluate decision tree. Sir, now here what are the parameters it is expecting? Okay, string, okay, page name, and then role name. Okay, you can give the primary, give the double colon, and okay, role name also you can give the double colon. Give the double colon, otherwise it will not work. Okay, work. Okay, you can give the role name and click on submit. Okay, we will use this, the function we will use. Sir, now here itself even you can write that logic. Param dot, okay, to, okay, param dot subject. What we will do is here, what is the parameters that is expecting? Car name, car, CORR, car name. You can give car name. Okay. These are the mandatory parameters, right? Okay, now here email subject, loan request, Okay, loan request ID. Now param dot call activity. Okay, call activity. Now you can use, sir, now you can use the primary dot send simple email. Okay, now you can call this activity, this data transform.
అక్కడ ప్రైమరీ తర్వాత కామా వచ్చింది అర్జున్.
ఇంకేమి ఇవ్వాలి?
లేదు, అక్కడ మీరు డాట్ అన్నారు కదా, డాట్ కాకుండా కామా వచ్చింది ప్రైమరీ పక్కన.
అవును, కామనే ఇవ్వాల్సింది.
ఓకే.
ఓ, నేను మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు కామా అన్నానా? ఓకే. No, no, no. Okay. Okay. So now I'm calling a DT. Now you can. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, silver I selected. Silver I selected. Even here you can see. Okay, na? Through activity data transform also how we can send an email. Okay, sir, now this is the way to call. Okay, one more. Okay, one more function. See here we used this one, right? Now I'm going to comment this one. Similar way you can call even, okay, decision tree also. Okay, old function and okay, old function. Okay, here if you search the search obtain value, you cannot see that function. Obtain. Okay, still people, some people will use the obtain value function. Still some people will use the obtain value function. What we will do is obtain value. Okay, obtain value function in PEGA. Okay, we will take that syntax. Okay, obtain value function. So still people will use, okay, here obtain. No need to use this one already. Okay, you have a function is available, right? Evaluate decision table. You can use that function. Tools primary. Okay, you can give the primary and then okay, what is our decision table name? Okay, what is your decision table name? You can give the decision table name. Okay, now you can give the decision table name. Primary. Okay, click on save. What happened? Sir, okay, people will use, okay, this function also. Okay, people will use this function also. Just I will okay update in the notepad also here. Okay, try to use this function itself. Okay, but you need to give the double colon. Okay, now see here. Now I'm going to. Okay, this is the way to call addition table in activity or in a data transform. Okay, even debugging also now you know. Okay, you can manually you can run also arjun.pega@gmail.com, and then here now I'm going to select the gold, click on submit. Okay now everyone. So now either you can, this is the old function we will use. Okay, sorry, old function we will use. Some people will use the obtain value. Okay, okay, what are the parameters as tools, primary, and decision table name? Whatever decision table you created, you can give that decision table name. Okay, so next one is, okay, one more example. Okay, remaining, okay, quickly I will create and then I will show you. Just I want to show you, okay, flow point of view also how we can call. Flow point of view also we can call. Okay, same example in case okay, quickly, even a dictionary also what we will do is decision tree, right? Okay, create a decision tree, get the template name, in case same example you want to practice okay with the decision tree. So now I told logic implemented in the decision tree is if it feels logic. Now we can see like that, you can see like that. Okay, sir, now, okay, how many if conditions you want? You can add that many if condition. Sir, now if within the if I want means now here. Sir, now if within the if you want, you can add conditions like that. Okay, sir, now it will return this value. It will return this value when four conditions need to, so condition 1, 2, 3, 4. Four conditions need to satisfy. This one we can call as a nested if condition. Nested if condition. If you want to do like that, you can do. Sir, now here how we can write same example, customer type. Sir, customer type equal to, sir, now diamond. Sir, now diamond, you want to return, okay, diamond template. You want to return the diamond template. Okay, all are if condition. How it will behave is, it will execute the all the conditions and then it will return the value. And then it will return the value. Customer type equal to. So now we can see based upon this configuration itself. Now we can see, now is it possible to give the multiple combinations, customer type equal diamond or like that? Now I'm specifying manually, right? Hello, or combination, customer type equal to customer type equal to gold.
First, if condition is true, then it will execute remaining conditions, or it will exit the
It will not
decision tree.
exit. It will not exit. It will check the all the conditions and then it will return the value. If it means behavior is like that only, right? Hello,
Okay, if first
Akila.
condition is true, if first condition is true, even though it will execute the remaining steps in the decision tree, right?
Even though, yes, correct. It will check the all the conditions and then it will return the value. Okay, na? Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
okay.
Okay, that is observation, and see if means it will behave like that only, right? Okay. Now see here. Okay, now I'm going to give the silver. Click this one, silver template. I'm going to give like a diamond. Now click this one, diamond template. So now this one how we can call. Okay, anyway, go here. Our activity all are ready, right? Here now I'm going to disable. Okay, disable. Okay, now we can use this one param dot. Okay, now I'm going to use this one. We have a tree also available. Okay, primary dot. What is the get template name? Get template name. Now, okay, run this one. purchase.pega@gmail.com, and you can, okay, select the diamond customer. Okay, okay, na? Hello, how we called here in a data transform.
Okay.
Okay, similar way here also. Okay, here also property hyphen map hyphen decision tree. Okay, so now here again here parent dot template name. You can add a condition. Okay, nothing. Now I'm not going to add. You can uncomment parent dot template name. Parent dot template name. So now we will call this one. Go here. Come down. I'm removing this one. You can specify here. Click on save. Run the case. Even see, now you know how to create a decision table, a decision tree. Okay, what are the places we can call? Okay, purchase.pega@gmail.com. Okay, so now click on submit. So now we can see. Okay, okay, na everyone. Okay, this is the way to call. And okay, what I will do is now I'm going to remove, okay, this email. Sir, okay, say that flow level also I will show you. And then okay, for example, and sir, in a flow you want to go some different directions. Sir, okay, in a flow you want to go some different directions. What I will do is I will create quickly I will create okay, diamond details. So now in a flow diagram, you want to go some different direction. Okay, different details. Now here you can see diamond details form. Okay, diamond details form is available. Okay, what I will do is just like example purpose only, right? Okay, I'm not going to create a properties and all. Just like one label message. Fill the diamond details form. Please fill the below, okay, diamond, okay, details form. Okay, please fill the diamond details form. Okay, click on save. Click on save. Gold. Okay, silver details form. Okay, we need to create a flow actions, right? 3 flow actions I'm going to create. Just like example purpose, okay, how we can call this addition table. Okay, decision table in a flow, diamond details. Okay, diamond details. Now here you can call, okay, diamond details section, gold, silver, okay, silver details. Okay, fine. So now what I will do is, okay, previous flow diagram, right? Okay, open that flow diagram. Okay, this is our flow diagram. So now, okay, now what is my requirement is based upon, okay, now see decision, okay, type. So now what I will do is, okay, now I want to go some different direction. Okay, I want to go some different direction. Check, okay, customer type. Check customer type. Click on create and open. Okay, now I'm okay. See, come on. Okay, let's see. Already I explained, right? Customer type. Customer type equal to, okay, diamond. Customer type equal to gold. Customer type equal to silver. Okay, now D. Now I'm giving just like a DC. Okay, D. Okay, yes. Okay, my decision table. Yeah, anything here, written value, whatever you want, whatever you are looking for, you can give that value. Okay. So now see, okay, how I'm going to call this one in a flow. Double click this one. Now, okay, I want to go some different direction in flow diagram, and okay, this is my decision table name. Okay, check customer type. Check customer type. So now I want to go some different directions. Okay. So now I want to go some different directions. Okay, now here you can see. First it will come here. So now, okay, you can, I'm rearranging. Customer type is called diamond. Then I want to execute loan info. Okay, so now customer type equal to, okay, whatever written values I give, right? Gold. Uh, see. Okay, double click. Why it is showing like that? One minute. Click on save. Mm. Okay, fine. Generally, you see, like that it needs to show. Okay, previously it's not updated properly. Okay, just we can update. Okay, in case if it is not showing, also no issues. So what I'm going to do is, see, for example, you can add, you can see one more. Okay, I'm going to take one more assignment. Okay, I'm going to take one more assignment here. What we will do is, Okay. Okay, come. You can take one more assignment. Sir, if it is the diamond, it will go this direction. Okay, it will fill the diamond details form. After that, loan details form. After that, employee details form. Okay, after that, it will end. Okay, this is my requirement. Okay, now here, diamond details. You can give the assignment label name. Okay, diamond details. Just like a label name only. So now here, double click this one. Okay, what is the flow action you created? You can call it flow action here. Okay, double click here. What is the written value? Whatever written value you gave. Okay, now we can see those written values. Now you want to give like a G. Okay, label name and so now here I want to give like a diamond is a label name. Okay, in a flow level, in the top level. Okay, you can give DIA also anything. This is just like a label. Okay, label only. A written value basis we are going some different direction. Okay, written value basis we are going some different direction. Click on submit. Click on submit. Here also you can call the gold customer details. Okay, gold customer details. Now here also, yes, silver. Okay, here now we can call the silver details. Silver details and can give the silver details. Sir, it is going. Sir, now here diamond, then you need to fill the loan details form, employee details form. Okay, if it is gold, just we are okay, ending the flow. Okay, sir, this is the way to configure okay decision tables. Okay, in a flow, not only decision table, even the decision tree also. So now we can click on create a case. Now we can send email removed, right? Okay, fine. So now I'm going to select the silver. Okay, if I submit, now it will go to the silver. I can see the silver details form. Okay, silver details form, and then it will wide. It will go to the next screen. Check educational details. Next process. Okay, now everyone. Hello.
Sir.
So in case if I select here. Okay, if I select okay gold details. Okay, now it will go to the gold details form. Gold details form. Okay, now I can see. So now go here. If I select the diamond, it will go to the diamond details form. Ardhamainda? Hello? Okay, diamond details form. See, this is the way to implement it. Okay, see. Here now same okay, here also you can call decision table. Okay, you created the decision table. For example, now you want to create a map value I'm creating. See now, okay, get flow type. Okay, flow type. So now when you are creating a dish, okay, map value, it looks like that. So now what basis now you want to, okay, now you want to create okay, map value, either single or double. So now here property and what basis? Customer type and even customer location also. For example, okay, one more property. Said now one more property. So matrix form, even single prop. Okay, now even you can give the single property and check how it is looks like. Single customer type. It looks like that. So now I want one more property means now you can select this one. For example, even customer location also. Okay, customer location. Okay, customer location. For example, okay, this field we captured, right? Okay. So now here, okay. So now, okay, I'm going to here also. Okay, anyway, we have one more property, right? Customer type, customer type. So now you are configuring. So now you are configuring the values here. Okay, what are the possible values? Sir, what are the possible customer type? What are the possible values? Gold. Sir, now what are the possible values of that particular customer you are expecting? Okay, now the way of configuring now, I'm configuring silver. Okay, these are the possible values or platinum. Okay, platinum. Sir, what are the possible values of customer location? Okay, Chennai. Multiple combinations and in multiple combinations you want to check. See here, Chennai, Bangalore. Okay, sir, now Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai. Mumbai. Sir, now go here, go here. Sir, now see, if a customer type equal to, see, customer type equal to gold and Chennai. Gold and Chennai. With this combination. Sir, now what do you want to read? Okay, where you want, whatever value, sir, here XYZ I want to return. Sir, here you want to return some XYZ. Sir, now you want to return, for example, days. Okay, even previously, whatever we captured, okay, 2 days, 3 days like that, right? 3 days, 2 days like that. Okay, I will do, okay, different way. For example, okay, here 2 days I'm specifying. 2 days, 2 days I'm specifying. Sir, customer type is gold and silver. For Hyderabad people, we will correspond within the 3 days. For Bangalore people, 4 days. For Mumbai people, 1 day. Sir, now Diamond and Chennai people, we will respond only 1 day. For okay, this one, 2 days. Sir, Diamond and Hyderabad, we will respond 2 days. Sir, Diamond and Bangalore, we will respond within the 3 days. Diamond and Mumbai, we will respond within the okay, within 1 day. Within 1 day. Sir, now okay, within 1 day, silver and okay, now they will respond within okay 5 days. Okay, 3 days. Okay, I'm giving a random value and 2 days. Okay, so now here 3 days, 2 days. Okay, 5 days and 4 days. So now see default values also you can specify. Sir, now this one also we can test and we can test now. Sir, now my here written value days I gave. Sir, we can give the rate of interest. Here we can give the rate of interest. Example is here I can give the rate of interest. Sir, my resolution time to complete the customer complaints within the 2 days for these combinations. With this combination, 3 days. My resolution time. This one it is giving a days value. Now I'm getting. Think like that. Okay, now value I'm getting. Sir, now value I'm getting. And okay, remember here. Sir, now here I can specify rate of interest also. Here I can specify some rate of interest. Here I can specify text, whatever text you are entering, it will return that value. You can think like that. Yes, sir, here I will specify work basket name. Here I will specify the operator name. Yes, you can specify that. Whatever. Here you can specify the operator name, sir. If it's Chennai and gold, I want to return to some X operator routing. Now you are writing a logic here in a written value routing. Sir, now if Chennai and gold, I want to return to some Chennai work basket. Chennai gold work basket. Just you can think like that. Chennai gold work basket. I want to return. Means here you can specify anything. Okay, na? అందరికి అర్థమైందా అండి? Ganesh or Vinod Kumar? Clear?
Yes.
You can specify anything here. Okay, now observe here. Okay, get follow type. I gave wrong, right? Okay, wrong name. Okay, no issues. See, okay, previously we are sending a email. We are sending an email, right? What I will do is, okay, okay, where is that activity? Okay, okay, decision table only. What I'm going to do is here property equals మన ఇష్టం అబ్బా సరే however okay now you want to write a logic you can write a resolution base అప్పటికప్పుడు క్రియేట్ చేసింది ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అంతకన్నా ఏం అంటే మీరు ఏమనుకోవాలంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ ఓకే మనం ఏమైనా సరే సి ఏమైనా ఆ రిటర్న్ వాల్యూ దగ్గర మనం స్పెసిఫై చేయొచ్చు అనుకోండి ఆ విధంగా థింక్ చేసుకోండి సార్ నా ఓకే వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఓకే మ్యాప్ వాల్యూ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ రో కస్టమర్ డాట్ మనం ఎలా ఇచ్చాము కస్టమర్ టైప్
ఎస్
మళ్ళీ తొందరగా చెప్పండి మళ్ళీ ఇది మన మిస్టేక్ అయింది అనుకో ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ ఓకే fine after that what you are doing okay after that what you are doing you are calling a template okay what I will do is now మళ్ళీ పని పడింది కదా go here so now what I'm going to do is see here మీ ఇష్టం అండి ఇక్కడ ఇది నేను అంతకుముందు 2 అని పెట్టా ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నా రిజల్యూషన్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చా లేదా వినోద్ కుమార్ అఖిల చెప్పండి మీరే చెప్పండి హలో ఇక్కడ అంటే మీకు కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైతే చాలబ్బా ఏదైనా సరే కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైతే మీకు వచ్చిన లాజిక్ ప్రకారము మీరు ఎలా కావాలంటే అలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అగ్రియా ఎలా రాయగలగాలి మనము లాజిక్ ఎలా రాయగలుగుతాము అని తెలిస్తే చాలు ఓకే నౌ యూ కెన్ ఫార్మ్ ద లాజిక్ హౌ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ ఓకే నౌ సీ హియర్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేద్దాము అంతకుముందు రిమూవ్ చేసేసాం కదా దీన్ని మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేద్దాం వేర్ ఈజ్ యువర్ జాగ్రత్తగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి మళ్ళీ మనము ఓకే యూఐలో ఏం ఎంటర్ చేస్తామో నాకు ఒకసారి చెప్పండి దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని మనం డిసిషన్ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి చూద్దాం ఓకేనా ఓకే నౌ సీ హియర్ నౌ క్లిక్ దిస్ వన్ click this one come down Arjun PEGA ఆ కాంబినేషన్ ఉండాలి మళ్ళీ జాగ్రత్త ఆ కాంబినేషన్ ఉండాలి బోల్డ్ అని ఇస్తున్నా ఇక్కడ ఏం చేద్దాం బ్రో ఎక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా యూఐలో ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా ఇక్కడ ఇద్దాం ఇది కస్టమర్ టైప్ కదా గోల్డ్ అని ఇస్తున్నా దాని తర్వాత కస్టమర్ లొకేషను హైదరాబాద్ ఇద్దామా హైదరాబాద్ ఇద్దాం హైదరాబాద్ ఓకే నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సబ్మిట్ బ్రో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సబ్మిట్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒకసారి ఆలోపు ఏమి ఇచ్చాము ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోదామా ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాము గోల్డ్ హైదరాబాదు 3 మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలా 3 రావాలా ఓకే సూపర్ డైనమిక్గా వచ్చిందా రాలేదా బ్రో చెప్పండి మీరే హలో మనం ఓన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం ఏమి అప్పటికప్పుడు క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఎగ్జాంపులే కదా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసేలోపు ఓకే మళ్ళీ అది దాన్ని ఎందుకు డిస్టర్బ్ చేయటము ఇలా చేసింది సార్ నౌ హియర్ యూ కెన్ స్పెసిఫై ఎనీథింగ్ Clear how we can create a map value, how we can call that one. అర్థమవుతుందా అండి? Okay, now quickly whatever examples I told you, right now I will explain. For example, so now customer type base చేసుకొని route చేయాలి. Okay, అవన్నీ quick create చేసేస్తాను. So now see here, it will take another 15 minutes. Okay, otherwise in case if you are okay to practice, you can practice. Get okay, get approval name. Get approval name. So now here what I will do is customer type. Customer type equal to, okay, gold, okay, diamond, okay, gold, okay, silver. నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఎవరికి మన ప్రభు, okay, ప్రభు కదా ఉన్నది. now I will quickly create operator IDs. Ganesh 1, okay, Ganesh 1, okay, user, okay, we will give the user Ganesh 2, okay, one, Ganesh 3. I want to route late, bro. Sir, now here customer type equal to Ganesh 1. I want to route this person. Ganesh 2. I want to route this person. Ganesh 3. Ganesh 3. Okay, na? Hello? Bro. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, now here what I will do is whatever flow previously I'm going to disable. Okay, I'm going to okay, now fine, perfect. Okay, so now, okay, I'm going to check out this one. Okay, check out this one. I want to route the assignment. Okay, next assignment I want to route. Okay, this one also. Anyway, now you can remove this one. So now I want to route the next assignment to that specific user. Now whatever we created the decision table, right? Now okay, I will explain when I'm going to explain about routing. At that time again I will explain. Okay, custom, I'm going to select the custom. Now to decision table. So now to decision table. Okay, whatever decision table you created, you can call the decision table name. Don't worry. Okay, again I will explain. Okay, when I'm going to explain about routing. Okay, as of now, just we can, okay, I'm not explaining what option I selected and all. Okay, now we can see here. Okay, now we can see here. Okay, now you can, okay, diamond. Sorry, diamond, and then and I'm submitting the form. So now it is routing to Ganesh 1. Okay, now it is routing to Ganesh 1. See, now it is routed to Ganesh 1 or not. Now we can see here. Routed to Ganesh 1 or not. Hello? This assignment is routed to Ganesh 1 or not? Come on, everyone. Route
Yes.
అయింది కదండి, ఓకేనా? సార్ నౌ సి మీరు ఇంకా ఇలా దేనైనా ఓకే, మీ యొక్క మీ మైండ్లో అలా పెట్టేసుకోండి. ఓకే సార్, నౌ ఈ సెండ్ మీ మైండ్లో మనకి డిసిషన్ టేబుల్లో ఇలాంటి టైప్ ఆఫ్ లాజిక్ రాస్తామా అన్నట్టుగా. ఓకే, నౌ సీ హియర్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు create a case, one more case. I will select the silver customer. Okay, if I select the silver, now click on submit, it will route to, okay, Ganesh 3. Ganesh 3. Okay, if I'm going to select the, okay, if I'm going to select మీకు ఏ లాజిక్ రాయాలంటే ఆ లాజిక్ రాయండి, కండిషన్ బేస్ చేసుకుని, అంతే, అంతకన్నా ఏం లేదు. సార్ నౌ ఇట్ విల్ రౌట్ టు Ganesh 2. Okay, okay, for example, okay, now what I will do is work baskets, even that written type. So this is the work basket, right? Now what I will do is quickly I will create work basket. Okay, NW, okay, diamond work basket, NW diamond work basket. Okay, sorry, NW. Okay, quickly I will same decision table. I will try to where is the decision table? Okay, here I will update diamond. I previously specified. Okay, this one now. Okay, now we can specify diamond, gold. Now silver. ఓకే, ఎవరైతే ఓపిక్గా రికార్డ్ ఫైల్ విని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటారో నాకు, ఓకే, వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే తెలుస్తుందండి దానికి ఇంపార్టెన్స్. నేను చెప్పే విధానము, నేను చెప్పే ప్రాసెస్ అనేది దాని యొక్క ఇంపార్టెన్స్. ఏదో సింపుల్గా అంతసేపు మనం వెయిట్ చేయలేము అంటే నేను వైండప్ చేయటం అనేది పాసిబుల్ కాదు. ఓకే, కొంచెం ఏంటంటే మీకు ఓపిక్గా ఇప్పుడు టైం లేకపోయినా సరే కొంచెం కూర్చొని ఒక వినండి, వినిన తర్వాత దాని తర్వాత జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ గో త్రూ దట్ రికార్డెడ్ సెషన్. ఓకే, అండ్ సేమ్ థింగ్ యూ కెన్ డూ. సార్ నౌ సీ హియర్, నౌ వీ చేంజ్ ఇట్, రైట్? నౌ వీ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ దట్ రౌటింగ్. ప్రీవియస్లీ operator ID, at that time I selected work list. Now I am going to select the work queue. I'm going to select the work queue, same only, fine, click on save. Okay, now see, now it will go to the, now it will go to the work basket. And sir, not depends, sir, now whatever I'm going to select the gold and click on submit, it will go to the gold work basket. Here you can see it went to the gold work basket. Now in case if you want to see whether really transfer the case to gold work basket means, here you can see I assign icon. Okay, assign icon work basket. Now here you can see, okay, that case went to the gold work basket. Here you can see, okay, the case is available here. Now again here, now we can create a case. You can create a case. Now here. So now I'm going to select the diamond and click on submit. Now it will route to, okay, diamond work basket. Diamond work basket. This is the way we can route. Sir, now next one is, okay, now I'm going to close all. Okay, sir, multiple combinations. Sir, is it possible to add multiple properties? Sir, is it possible to add multiple properties? Okay, now, okay, quickly I will show you. Just we can practice, but I will show you. Okay, uh, this type of examples assignment you can practice. Okay, get okay, with this, okay, get, for example, ticket price. Okay, ticket price. Now click on create and open. So now what I will do is quickly I will create a properties, two properties. Okay, bus type. In a UI level, these examples please practice. So UI level you can practice these things. Even you can practice this one also. Okay, even you can practice this one also. Now see here. Okay, bus type. ఓకే, ఇంకా హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ పట్టిద్ది కదా. కంటిన్యూ డిస్కస్ చేద్దామా అయితే? హలో,
ఎస్ అర్జున్.
ఓకే, టుమారో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం అయితే. థ్యాంక్స్ సార్.
ఓకే.